Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video. It has been a while since I have made one of these videos where I'm basically rating slash ranking your graphics. Hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of content. Make sure you guys check out gfxcomic.com, our store right here. We have a ton of amazing stuff. And we also have the unlimited access pack right here, which you can buy. We are close to 40 total sales. Anyways, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Right here, we don't have much, so I'm gonna scroll up, see what we got here. I don't know how to make the leaves in the tree not black. I'm guessing like something here. That is most likely a texture issue. But I like how the characters at the front look. But I think the only critique I can give to make this better is if the characters were bigger on the screen. Like if you enlarge it to where the head is somewhere over here. And also accentuate the characters so it is brought to the foreground a bit more, because the textures and because it kind of blends with the background right now. Okay, right here, I don't know what I am making here, but how to make it better. Alright, we have a snow scene. Obviously it's not fully rendered, so I can't really see exactly, but like this tree here, you probably should fix that. Maybe the sky here could be improved. I don't know. I will have to see more progress, but I don't think it looks terrible so far. It's not bad. This looks pretty good. Although, I don't know. I think the background choice could be better. I think this background looks a bit cheap. I don't know how to explain it. Nonetheless, I think it looks pretty good. Oh, GFX. Can't really see much. It's a very low resolution right there. This one is a very intense piece of art. You have this giant eyeball being chained up in a dungeon. You got two characters exploring. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's got tentacles. How could that not be cool, right? We got Roblox tentacles, but it's a piece of art, right? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Here is a higher quality image. Right here from Hexo. What is that in the back? What's that supposed to be? Is that a donut? It's some kind of candy game here. Yeah, that's an interesting. I think this looks better. This right here, you should have kept this character. That looks perfect to me, personally. Render, was that a scar? You got a castle, sword, some kind of rogue assassin character. But with this thing, I am quite tempted to make some adjustments, to make some changes. Like even this, I think, makes it look pretty good. Would you guys agree or no? Look at this. Let's see what else we got. I like this right here. Let me go for overlay. Alright. Not too much, like 20. Bring this to lighten. Yeah, keep changing this around. This looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna go new layer, image, apply. Okay. Camera filter. And see what we can do. We go for effects. Right here. Just add some clarity, not too much. Okay. You don't want too much contrast as well. This looks good. Before and after. Pretty cool. This guy is staring at this guy with his sword, katana, I should say. The armor looks pretty good. His hair is interesting. It's not bad. Alright, that will do it for this video. I apologize if I'm kind of tired and I did not give enough feedback. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.